This video is long overdue. I am going to be talking about the CampSnap Pro from the brand CampSnap. And just so you know, I am an ambassador for them. So if you hit the link in the description of this video, you can save a little bit of money if you are interested in the camera. So I've been shooting with the Pro for the better part of a year. I was familiar with CampSnap from their basic edition, which I believe is 8 megapixels. This one goes up into 16 and has live filters. It has 4 and they can be customized either through their website or you can find some online. I found some great filters through Reddit, and I just purchased some more from a YouTuber, so I look forward to trying those out. I have put a lens cap on the camera. It doesn't come with it, but I like to protect the lens. And the other great part about the camera is that it has a filter thread, so it gives you a lot of different possibilities. This one is a slim soft filter, basically like a ghost effect, and it just goes on the camera really easily. Like, I always shoot with a filter on this camera just to take off that digital edge. And it is 37 millimeters. I just got it on Amazon. Unfortunately, CampSnap doesn't make their own filters, but having a filter thread is really great. Another way I customize the camera, if you look here, this is where the flash is, and it's a real flash, which is great. Only problem is it is a little too powerful, like it kind of just blows out your subjects. So what I did was I put a vinyl cover over it. It has a few flash settings here, so it's off. If I turn it up one, that's like the mid tier, and then going up another one, that will give you the most powerful flash. So I suggest getting a vinyl cover for yourself. I'll put that in the description for my video as well, and then just putting that over the flash so you'll still get to use it, but it's kind of like a softbox. So turning it on, if you look on the back, you will have the indicator for the battery. I've used it a bit this week. It goes up to 4, it's on 3, but I think you get like 500 shots, and then it will give you a display how many shots you've taken. So it's a true screen-free experience. You're only looking at the counter, and then you can just go through the different filters and change and get different shots, which is great. This has standard, vintage 1, vintage 2, and black and white, and they can all be customized, which is phenomenal. So this is pretty much turned into my everyday carry. I'm somebody that shoots primarily with Canon for my photography, and using this point and shoot CampSnap for different live filters has been a great experience. So I'm probably gonna make a book of my photos as well, because I literally use this every day. And it's great to not even have to think about it, just point and shoot, and I don't have to edit the actual photos. But I really enjoy purchasing, grabbing filters on Reddit or from different YouTubers, and trying to make my own filters as well. I think CampSnap's actual website for making the filters could be a bit better. I look forward to seeing if they update it and having some more features, maybe like light leaks and things like that that you can put into the different filters. But for what it is, I think there's a lot of value in it. And like I said, you can save if you use my code. I believe it is $100 on CampSnap's website. These things are going pretty fast. They make great gifts for the family. And if you're an aspiring photographer or professional photographer, it's nice to have a point and shoot in your library that you can just go and have fun with. So that's gonna do it for this video. I'm probably going to do an additional video on creating filters and loading them onto the camera, because it's a bit of a process. You can also, before I forget, dump the photos with a USB-C that is on the bottom, and you can plug it into your iPad and transfer using the Photos app, or you can use a laptop as well. So I will catch you on the next one, and please let me know in the comments if you have a CampSnap Pro or any of the other CampSnaps, and you can also use my code to save a little bit of money. See you on the next one.